Hi guys, welcome to Yoga for Fibromyalgia. My name is Sarah and I'm a yoga teacher living with and healing fibromyalgia. In today's class, we are going to reconnect. So let's get ready. Okay guys, so let's come to practice in any seated comfortable position. Maybe that's sitting up on a chair, or maybe you're on your bed, or maybe you're cross-legged or in any other comfortable seat. Maybe you want to sit up on a prop to lift up the hips. Maybe on a block, maybe on a cushion. And before we get into it, let's just settle in. So allow some time to take some nice, quiet, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Notice if you'd like to bring your palms face down or palms facing up to the sky. Slowing everything down. And while you're here, maybe you'd like to set an intention for something maybe you're seeking to reconnect with. Maybe a part of yourself or something new. Or maybe we're coming back to practice after a pause and we just want to ease our way in. Nothing intense. Today's a great practice for that. Right, let's bring the palms to the heart space just to confirm that intention as already so, already happening. And then we'll begin. Let's begin with some neck mobility. So I'm going to look over. First I'm going to sit up nice and tall, heart open, shoulders back, and then look over to the left side. Slowly coming back through center on the exhale. Inhale over to the other side. And keep going. Notice that it doesn't take much at all to get a good stretch. Especially if we try and activate and involve the whole body. So sitting up nice and tall, shoulders back. Let's do a few more. And if you want to find some more movement here, go ahead, move the head, maybe up, maybe down. Maybe come chin through chest, over to the other side. You find some moves here that feel really good for you. And we'll meet chin to chest. And slowly bring the nose in line, back to center. Great. Okay, from here we'll go into cat and cow. Just turn to the side so you see me better. Inhale in center. And exhale, open up through the chest, pull the shoulders back, big heart opener. Inhale, curve the back, drop the head. Exhale, start again from the lower back, all the way up, vertebrae by vertebrae, up to the top. And if you want to play around switching the inhale and the exhale, go ahead. Or maybe pausing in one of the two poses. Elbows slowly meet back in center. Fantastic. Okay, then we're going to grab our right arm, bring it crossed over the left. Inhale the arms all the way up, big stretch. Start to open the hands and consider your intention, what you want to reconnect with. Consider it here as you inhale, big stretch up. Exhale, arms all the way down. Imagine you're pulling that open and it's raining down on you. Let's go again. Left arm crossed over right. Inhale, arms up. Open the arms. Yes, yes, yes. Big stretch up. Exhale. It's raining down on you. Beautiful. Let's turn to the side so we can mobilize through our hips and knees. Maybe you want to sit up on something again, especially sometimes like this, there's a little knee pain, so we can come up on a prop, no problem. Great. So we're going to interlace the fingers around the back of the leg and push the left foot into an imaginary wall. Inhale, lift the right leg. Notice if you prefer toes up or toes pointed. And exhale to bend the knee. We'll do that 4 more times. So sitting up nice and tall, reconnect. Notice if we start to collapse in the upper back. And release and take it to the other side. Keep remembering heart up, heart open. Notice any difference between the legs? Great, and release. Now, we can come off the prop, I think, for this one. We'll take the right foot, and if comfortable, place it over the left thigh. If that's not super comfortable, we'll place it down on the floor, no problem. On an inhale out, we'll bring the knee towards the chest as much as comfortable. And on an exhale, send it down towards the floor. There's a big gap there. We might fill the space with a cushion so it's more comfy. And we'll do 4 more of those. Mobilizing through the hip. And release. And take it to the other side. Again, notice if it's comfortable on the top of the leg or better on the floor. Inhale towards the chest, chest lifted. Exhale towards the floor. And as we move here, consider the knee, consider the hip. Great. And replace. Let's bring our hands behind us, take a deep breath in. Great, and then we're gonna come onto our hands and our knees. So swivel the legs around. Grab some extra knee padding if you know you like that. And we're gonna bring the knees wide as the mat and feet together. And bring the hands underneath the shoulders. Knees underneath the hips. Bring the left hand in the center and push through, claw through all the fingers. We don't want to collapse in the wrist. Inhale, bring the right arm about 90 degrees. But if you feel like maybe you can go more, go ahead and go more. If there's any tension or pain in the neck, maybe you want to look down. Maybe you're able to look up and there's no pain at all. See how it feels? When you're ready, grab that thing you want to connect with, bring it all the way down and through. Inhale, slowly coming back to center. Maybe come off the knees for a moment. Consider if you need to grab something to pad the knees, another blanket. And then we'll come back. Bringing the right hand in center this time. Inhale, left hand about 90 degrees, maybe more, maybe less. Maybe looking up, maybe looking down. Exhale, grab that thing and come all the way down. Maybe this is not comfy for us. We can move around here and see what can change. And then we'll slowly inhale back to center. Come all the way down onto the feet. And we're going to rest a little moment in child pose. So maybe you want to grab a couple of cushions to place here. Maybe you're fine as you are. Slowly coming down. Maybe a prop for under the head. Maybe not. While you're here, take some nice deep breaths in and out. Take one more deep breath. On your next inhale, slowly rise up all the way back, and we'll meet in a comfortable seat of your choice. Now, our next practice uses a really cool mudra. It is called Eagle Mudra. And for this practice, we will interlace the thumbs and place the hands on the chest. Quiet everything down once again. And reconnect to your breath. Feeling the warmth of the hands on the chest and the warmth of the chest on the hands. This mudra represents the energy of freedom, and also it represents our need really to take responsibility for our life, for the direction of our life. Sometimes I find myself saying, I want this and I want this to happen and I'd like this and this, which is fine, but I also need to accept the responsibility that I get to choose and I get to make the things happen by my thoughts, by my actions, my choices, my energy, vibration, what I attract, what I release. So let's get quiet for a moment. Let's take 3 more conscious deep breaths in and out, solidifying our desires and our responsibility to make them come true. Beautiful. Let's slowly, gently bring the hands together at the heart space. Thank you for spending your precious time and energy here with me. I'll see you really soon. Namaste. Hey guys, just a quick message that if you enjoyed this class and you'd like to reconnect in more ways to your breath, to your body, movement, and to other kinds of feelings, sensations, I really recommend you take a look at my 40-day series on Fibromyalgia Healers, my membership website. 40 Days to Reconnect is a beautiful series of 40 yoga and meditation classes, all about 10 to 15 minutes in length. Whether you take the 40 days to complete it or whether you stretch it out maybe over 40 weeks, it's completely your choice. The course is yours. So I'll put the links below and I really hope you sign up. So I'll see you there. Bye.